In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Best Buy and manage your orders efficiently. Whether you want to check the status of a recent purchase or make modifications to your order, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and straightforward way. To get started, head over to bestbuy.com. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you're required to enter your Best Buy account email and password. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll find options to create one right here as well. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In to access your account. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to open your account menu. You'll notice your account icon, which resembles a person symbol, also located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Orders. This is where you'll find all the details about your recent transactions. Once you click Orders, you'll see a comprehensive list of your recent Best Buy purchases. For each order, you'll find detailed information including an image of the item, the order date, and the item's current status. The status could vary from processing to shipped, ready for pickup, delivered, or completed. This section gives you a really convenient way to stay updated about where your order stands. Now, let's move on to tracking your order. If you're curious about the delivery process and its estimated arrival, you'll want to click on the See Details link next to your order. If your order has been shipped, you'll see the name of the carrier responsible for the delivery, such as FedEx, UPS, or USPS. Along with that, you'll find a tracking number. This tracking feature provides you with real-time updates on the delivery progress and the estimated delivery date. In addition to tracking, Best Buy also offers a range of options to manage your order effectively. Directly from your order page, you can cancel an order, provided it hasn't yet been shipped. If you've opted for a store pickup, there's an option to change or view the pickup location. Need to return or exchange an item? You'll find simple instructions to do that from this page as well. Lastly, if you need a copy of your purchase details, you have the ability to print or download your receipt or invoice. And there you have it, everything you need to know to access your Best Buy account and manage your orders efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next transaction a breeze.